Okay, suiting up, safety gear. Okay, now, okay, here is a roughing gouge. You're going to be roughing this in here. Everything locked off. I'm going to start out around 1100, 1200 RPM. Knocking off the corners. Now I'm up around 1600. Okay, it's right about there now. Switching over. Tool rest in. Tool rest up a little. Switching over my bowl gouge. And it's time for a sharpen. Okay, freshly sharpened. That feels so much better. Okay, so I have a piece of tear out over here, which I'm going to have to take it down to there. Let's see, what do I do here? Maybe I'll do a little bit of that to try to save as much. And I'm going to try to do some shear scraping here. Let me show you why. Let me take this off for a second so you can hear me better. I'm doing shear scraping because I'm going across end grain and flat grain, and then over here I might be going across something totally different. So because of the fact that this is a glue up and I'm going through all types of crazy grains, I'm trying to do some shear scraping, which essentially is I'm taking and at an angle I'm spiral cutting little shavings off like this. So anyway, hope you understand that. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, and there we go. Let me move my lights back over. Yep. Sorry, this is my Trent hair shield switch. This does not work. It's totally intermittent. I never know when it's going to turn on. just applied a thin layer of CA glue as a sanding sealer, and now I'm getting out of the space. Okay, I just rubbed this piece down with some Yorkshire grit after my sanding sealer, and it's got some incredible fire in it, so I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on it and buff that in, and then I'll spin it around, hollow it out. Everything's tightened down. Looks nice and stabilized. I'm going to spin up here at 1500. I'm going to define an edge with a few push cuts here, using my parting tool. The reason I'm doing this is because this is flat stacked. I'm going to be, like I said before, cutting through all kinds of weird, crazy grain layers in there. So now that I have an edge there, now I'm doing push cuts, pushing toward that weak tenon or mortise that I have up inside here. Oh, what is this? Huh, interesting. Nobody told me about that. There's a screw in there. Okay, so let's see if I can do this. Nope. It's going deeper than that. Great. Alright, so I probably did a pretty good number on that. This is a glue block that I got from another shop, and nobody told me there was a nice little screw or nail in there. Hopefully there's not one in each one of these layers. Well, finding that in there, finding that, which goes all the way down into there, inside of there, is making me kind of nervous. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I can see what this is. It was a staple. Someone stapled that layer to there. Well, that sucks. Anyway, So I'll probably do a little touch up on my nice and freshly sharpened up tool here. But first, let me do some more before I do the final pass, just in case there's any more of that in there. All right, I'll do some sanding, finish it up, and that's it for this. This is about 3/8 of an inch thickness. I'm leaving it a little thick because there's end grain involved in this. Not in your way there, but oh yeah. Well, there you go, folks. A lot less sanding. I feel one little lump down here, right in the very bottom. Right there. There we go. Yep, I've got it. Okay, now just some sanding. One last spot. All right, I think that's got it. Yeah. All right, there we go. Some sanding and some finish, and I'll show you the end product. Well, thanks for watching another episode of The Naked Turner. Hope you enjoyed this one. I will take some stills of this mahogany, and this is what appears to be African mahogany. Very soft, very porous, nowhere near as hard as sapele or as stable. It's much harder to get a nice finish. The end grain is a lot harder to cut. So anyway, I'll post some photos at the end of this. If you enjoyed this particular video, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, make a comment, have some fun, and safe turning. Thanks again for watching. All right, there it is, all hollowed out with a bunch of Yorkshire grit in it. Getting ready to polish it up.